It's true that king cobras and black mambas are deadly, but they are not poisonous, they are venomous. The terms are often used interchangeably, but venom and poison are not the same thing. True, they are both a toxic substance that can potentially harm or kill you, but the main difference lies in the way they are delivered to the unfortunate victim. Venomous animals inject toxin into their victims, while poisonous animals are toxic when they are eaten. Venom has to be injected directly in victim's blood to be effective. Poison is a toxic substance that kills or causes harm if it is transmitted by being ingested, that is, eaten or drunk, inhaled, or touched. Poisonous animals include most amphibians, that is, frogs, toads, newts, salamanders, etc., which carry around some amount of toxins on their skin and within their other tissues, such as the highly toxic poison secreted by various poison dart frogs. These 5 cm frogs contain enough poison to kill 20 humans. A poisonous animal doesn't make you sick when it bites you. It makes you sick when you take a bite of it. Venom must find its way into bloodstream of the victim to be effective and cause harm to the victim. Venomous animals have some sort of structure, such as stingers or fangs, that allow for toxins to be injected into another animal. Along with snakes and scorpions, spiders are also generally venomous. Some lizards are venomous as well, such as Gila monster, iguana, Komodo dragon, etc. Bees, ants, and wasps also are venomous. Garter snake is not venomous, but it is poisonous. Means that it is not harmful or dangerous to us if it bites us, but is harmful or dangerous if anyone ate the snake. As the snake eats newts and salamanders which have poison in their bodies. Box jellyfish has been responsible for 5,730 recorded deaths since 1954. Its stingers contain extremely powerful toxins that attack the heart and nervous system. The pufferfish is poisonous if you eat the wrong part because its liver contains tetrodotoxin, but its bite contains no toxins. The blue-ringed octopus, however, can inject the same tetrodotoxin with its bite, so it is venomous. The Asian tiger snake is the only snake species that is both venomous and poisonous. Not only does it produce toxin for its bite, but it also stores poison it obtains from its stored prey in its skin. We know venom has to be injected in blood to be harmful. But what would happen if someone drank venom? It won't have any bad effect because the acids in your stomach would break down the venom like any other protein before it could reach bloodstream. Unless, of course, you had cuts in your mouth, in which case it could enter your bloodstream and harm you. Another difference is that poisonous creatures produce toxins constantly and cannot choose whether to be toxic or not. But venomous creatures can usually choose whether to administer venom in their bite or not. 20 to 25% bites of venomous snakes are dry bites, which means they choose not to inject venom in their victims' bodies. Thank you for watching and listening. Subscribe to the channel if you want to watch the similar videos in future. Thanks again.